Welcome to the U.S. Immigration Portal. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. Today, we're diving deep into Form I-130 Processing Time 2024, Petition for Alien Relative, Cost, Eligibility, and Backlogs. So let's get started. Understanding Form I-130. Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, is the initial step in bringing a foreign family member to the United States as a permanent resident. It's a document filed by a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, green card holder, to demonstrate their relationship with a foreign relative and their eligibility for immigration. This petition signifies the petitioner's intent to sponsor their relative for a green card. I-130 processing time in 2024. The processing time for Form I-130 can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the petitioner's relationship to the beneficiary, the USCIS office handling the case, and current immigration backlogs. As of 2024, processing times have seen fluctuations. While some cases are being processed relatively quickly, others are experiencing substantial delays. It's crucial to check the USCIS website for the most accurate and up-to-date processing times for your specific situation. I-130 cost. The cost of filing Form I-130 includes a government filing fee. The exact amount may change over time, so it's essential to verify the current fee on the USCIS website. Additionally, there might be other expenses involved, such as attorney fees, translation costs, or medical examinations for the beneficiary. It's advisable to budget accordingly for the entire immigration process. Eligibility for filing I-130. To file Form I-130, the petitioner must be a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. The eligibility of the beneficiary depends on their relationship to the petitioner. Immediate relatives, such as spouses, unmarried children under 21, and parents of U.S. citizens, have a higher priority. Other family members may be subject to visa availability, which can lead to significant wait times. I-130 backlogs. One of the most significant challenges in the I-130 process is dealing with backlogs. Certain family preference categories have extensive waiting lists, meaning eligible beneficiaries may have to wait years before their visa number becomes available. Factors like country of origin and family relationship can impact the length of the wait. It's essential to be aware of potential backlogs and plan accordingly. Importance of professional guidance. Navigating the I-130 process can be complex and time-consuming. Considering the potential financial and emotional investment, seeking guidance from an experienced immigration attorney is highly recommended. An attorney can assess your specific situation, provide accurate information, and help you gather the necessary documentation. Additional tips. Check USCIS website regularly. Stay updated on processing times, fee changes, and any policy updates. Gather required documents. Prepare all necessary documents to avoid delays. Be patient. The immigration process can be lengthy, so it's essential to be patient and persistent. Consider premium processing. While it involves an additional fee, premium processing can expedite the process in some cases. Thanks for watching.